Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And isn't it just about time to start thinking about holiday wraps and tags? Well, I have a simple one for you, and it's created with the 2 Every Season bundle from the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog. I'll be using these snowflake images and the Merry Christmas sentiment, and you can see there are fall images, Halloween images, and even some images and sentiments for Valentine's Day. So it's a very versatile set. And the bundle includes these 4 mini punches that are awesome. Okay, and today I'll be using the little snowflake. So let's get started. I have just 3 pieces of paper here. Whisper White 2x3, a piece of that beautiful wrapped in plaid designer series paper stack 6x6 in the holiday catalog. It's 2x4, and then a piece of shaded spruce also cut 2x4. And what we're going to do is we're just going to layer these together to have a multi-layered tag for some interest. And I'm going to do, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole through all 3 layers. So I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool and just go through like that to my Stampin' Pierce mat to protect the work surface and the point of the Take Your Pick tool. And I just kind of turn it around like that to make a nice opening there to thread some twine. Okay, now let's do some simple stamping. I've got, let's see, Cherry Cobbler and Night of Navy for the snowflakes. So let's start with the snowflakes. Now I mentioned that there are 3 snowflakes, pretty small little snowflakes in that stamp set. And what I did is I just mounted them all 3 in a configuration you can see there on the clear block. So I can stamp them all at the same time. So I just want a scattered look. So I'm going to stamp off. I don't want it too dark. And stamp right there. And then I'm going to do it one more time. And let's see, I want to leave room for my sentiment, so I'm going to kind of turn it this way. And then I have some white space there where I'm going to stamp Merry Christmas. Okay, let's get the Night of Navy out of the way and open up our Cherry Cobbler ink. And I chose these colors because these are the colors that coordinate with the designer series paper. Stampin' Up! Is well known for its product coordination, and I love it because it makes it so easy. All right, here's Merry Christmas, and I'm going to stamp that right there in the center there. And there you go. Pretty simple. Okay, so I'm looking at my tag, and I think I want to cut it down some. So it's not too late to do that. Let's do 1.5. So I'm going to go 1 3/4 on that side, and then over here I'll do it at 1.5. And I'm cutting it more narrow than the designer paper because I want that to show off, you know, underneath the tag. And it still looks great with my little snowflakes there. So you can always kind of modify if you need to. All right. We're going to stack these up again. I'm going to kind of work on the little. So I'm going to suggest you do 1.5 by 3 for the top Whisper White tag. Okay, let's put these together with some Whisper White baker's twine. And it's about, I think I've measured, it's about 10 inches, 8 to 10 inches, but I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to, I know about how long I want it. So I'm going to cut right there, double it up, because I'm going to stick it through there all together. Let's see, I should take the Take Your Pick tool to do this. Okay, there it is in the back. So I'm going to pull it through, and there's a loop there. I'm going to take these 2 ends and push it through the loop. And then I'm going to tie a knot at toward the top of these two ends here. Okay. All right, isn't that cute? But that's not all. Let's get a scrap piece of the silver glimmer paper. And I'm going to take the snowflake and give it a punch. Then I'm going to glue that down here in the center, if I can find my glue. Well, of course it's disappeared. Huh. All right, let's see. It's probably right in front of my nose and I'm not seeing it. I'll go ahead and open a new one. All right, here we go. Put that here. And then let's take a red rhinestone and put that in the center to give it a little bit of color. Okay, so let me get all this out of the way. And you can see the two cute little tags for your holiday gift packaging. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com. There you will find the details for this project. I'll include the correct measurements for the 3 pieces of the tag. And you will also find the links there for the product to shop. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.